The concept of how you earn an income from your Success Advantage is different from most programs on the market, and the process for how we do it is absolutely unique. At its core, your Success Advantage helps you earn income from affiliate commissions using know, like, and trust email marketing. You send us traffic, which we turn into subscribers on your list. Then we send them emails to get them to join and buy multiple other programs and products, all with your referral links. We don't just promote one program that you can earn money from like most systems. You can earn money if your prospect decides to upgrade at your Success Advantage and use the system themselves, but that's not the only way. In many other systems, you have only one way to make money. You send traffic to the pages for the program, and the only thing that the program promotes is itself. If the visitors don't decide to join the program and become paid members, you have no opportunity to make any money from your hard-earned traffic. Your Success Advantage is different because we take the long-term approach. Maybe that visitor who just subscribed to your email list to get a free training class isn't interested in becoming a paid member at your Success Advantage right now. That's okay, because it isn't the only thing we're going to talk about with them. I'm also going to see if they're interested in building an email list. If so, maybe they need an autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse. If they join that under you with your affiliate link, then you earn commissions every month from those programs too. I'm also going to educate and motivate them to get more traffic for their opportunities or programs. If they join the traffic programs I recommend on your behalf, then you're going to earn commissions from those programs too. Over time, I'm going to promote dozens of different programs with your referral links. All of the programs I will promote for you are free for you to join as an affiliate and earn commissions. You don't have to pay to make money. The goal is not for you to just be getting a big payment each month from a single program. Instead, you'll be getting dozens of payments from different programs, which together add up to a sizable amount. A program like this is much more effective because it doesn't try to sell one thing to the entire list. Instead, it has something for everyone, and it keeps offering new things as long as they remain on your list. To promote all the programs on your behalf, I need to know your unique referral information from each program we promote. I can't send someone to your referral link for a program if I don't know your link for that program. You can find these programs in the section of the members area called Affiliate Sites. To see the sites that you need to link or enter your referral IDs for, just click Affiliate Sites in the left-hand nav and then Sites to Link. The Sites to Link page will list out all the sites we're currently promoting that you have not given us your information for. Think of this page like your to join list. If you come to this page and it's blank, that's a good thing. That means you've linked to all the sites currently in the system. However, you want to check back on this page on a regular basis because I'm adding new programs to promote all the time. There are two different types of programs that are on this list. Some programs are fully integrated and other sites are affiliate information only. Fully integrated programs are primarily the other programs in my Your Viral Network platform. When you link these programs, I can promote them on your behalf, but linking them also unlocks other features to make your marketing better and more efficient. For example, once you link the different mailers together in the Your Viral Network, then when you send a mail from one site, you can clone it to all the other sites using the speed mailer feature. That means you enter the email once, but send it from 17 or more sites all at the same time. Big time savings. Fully integrated sites also allow you to move from program to program without having to log in and out of each one, so no more looking up all those passwords all the time. Affiliate information only programs are not part of my Your Viral Network, so they don't have the advanced features, but you can still earn commissions when I promote them for you. These generally just require you to put in your affiliate URL or ID to link them. The process to link a fully integrated site is pretty easy. I've tried to create a process that's quick to get this step done so you can get back to concentrating on sending traffic to those best converting funnels. When you go to the Sites to Link page, you'll see a listing of all the different sites you need to link. Under each site is a link that says, click here to link your blah, blah, blah account with the name of the site in it. When you click that link, the system asks you a question on the next page. Do you already have an account at the site and know the login details? If you know that you already have an account at that site and you have the member ID number and password to log in, then click the button that says, I have an account and know the login. If you think that you might have an account or you don't know the member ID or password for your account, then you should go to the login page for that site you're trying to link and click Forgot Password to have that information emailed to you, or check and see if there was an account under your email address already. Make sure that you check your spam folder for that password reminder email. If you don't get the mail or need help, email me at support@websbestmarketing.com and I'll give you a hand. Once you have the login information, then come back to this page. If you do not have an account at the site that you're trying to link, then click the button for I don't have an account. But let's continue with the option for if you have an account first. When I click the button for I have an account and know the login, then I'm presented with a form to log into the site that you're trying to link. Put in this form the member ID number and password for the site you're trying to link, not your member ID and password for your Success Advantage. If your browser's pre-filled the form with information, please check it because it's probably your login for your Success Advantage, not the linked sites. Browsers aren't very intelligent about this. Once you put in your member ID number and password, then click Verify and Link Account. If the information is correct, then you'll see a message on the screen letting you know that the account was linked. And then you'll be shown the list of all the sites that you have linked successfully. The site you just linked should be on that list. To link the next site, then click on the affiliate sites in the left-hand navigation and Sites to Link. That will display the sites you still need to link. If you don't have an account at the site that you're trying to link, then on the page asking if you have an account, choose I do not have an account. That button will take you to a page where it will ask, do you want me to create an account and link it for you? Click Yes, please create an account and link it. Clicking that button will create a new account at that site using your email address from your Success Advantage. It sends you a welcome email with your login information from that site and then automatically links your account to your account at your Success Advantage. Linking that site is now complete. And just like when you linked a site the first time, it'll take you to the page which shows all the sites that you have successfully linked. You can then choose affiliate sites and Sites to Link to see if there are any remaining sites that need to be linked. Keep repeating the process until there are no more sites left on the Sites to Link page. At that point, you have all the information that I need to start getting your prospect list to join those sites under you. Every time someone joins, that's another person who can upgrade or purchase from that new site, which earns you commissions. You can see the page, which lists all the sites that you do have linked by clicking affiliate sites and then linked sites in the left-hand navigation. On this page, you see all the sites you've linked, your ID number at each one. In addition, for the fully integrated sites, you see action links under each one. Things like login, read email, send email, etc. These are your quick links that allow you to switch from one program to another without having to log in. If you want to send an email from WebBizInsider, you can just click the Send Email link and it will open WebBizInsider in a new tab and go straight to the page to send an email without you needing to log in. That's another big time saver. More actions and information will be coming, especially for the fully integrated sites in the future, that will save you time and give you more information you need without having to go digging for it. So if you followed along with all the videos in the Getting Started with Your Success Advantage series, then you know about building a traffic fire hose, selecting the hottest funnels to promote and put subscribers on your list, and you've linked all your accounts so I can turn those subscribers into signups and sales at all your linked sites. Now you need to start putting the system to work and get that traffic flowing. If you have some experience with generating traffic, then I suggest starting by promoting using the traffic sources you've used in the past. Send some traffic using what you know, then go to the statistics pages and analyze the results. Then adjust using the tips in these videos to constantly be working on improving the traffic quantity and traffic quality that you generate. There are more videos being added to this training series that will go into greater depth on the most common and effective ways to increase the amount of traffic that you earn and you control. You need to become a traffic machine because that is the area of the business that you directly control. I'll do my part to turn that traffic into friends and those friends into customers, but your results rely on the quality and quantity of traffic you send me. Focus on that to supercharge your success. And thanks for watching.